Assalamu Alaikum Everyone, I'm Sadia and I'm back again with another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys how I created this look, specifically my eye look. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Firstly, I'm taking a big fluffy brush and I'm picking up this shade and blending it all over my eyelid. Here I was checking whether my camera was still recording or not. I'm taking more of this shade to build the color. Now I'm gonna pick a darker shade than the previous one and blend it on my crease. Here I have put this clip on time lapse, but you take your time to blend so that there is no harsh line. Now I'm going to take this maple shade and blend it below my crease line. Now I'm going to take the previous big fluffy brush and blend out all the colors together, making sure there's no harsh line. Now I'm taking another palette and I'll mix these two shades and blend it on my outer corner. I'm taking more so that I can get a darker shade. Again, I'm repeating the same process and I'm taking this big fluffy brush, blending out all the colors together. Lastly, I'm gonna take this shimmer shade from the previous palette and I'm gonna apply this with my finger because this is the best way you can get most of the pigment. You can also use a flat synthetic brush if you aren't comfortable using your fingers. Using a fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend everything out. Now I'm going to take the same shades and apply them on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the diamond shimmer and I'm going to apply this on my inner corner. I really hope you like this video. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also hit the like button, comment down below your feedback and share it with your friends. Till then, bye.